Cartilages. Okay. So cartilages are mainly classified into three types. Cartilages classified into three types. Number one, hyaline cartilage. Number one is the hyaline cartilage. And number two, elastic cartilage. And number three, fibrous cartilage. Fibrous cartilage. So whenever we take the small piece of hyaline cartilage, so hyaline cartilage present where and elastic cartilage present where and fibrous cartilage present where అంటే మనం ఏంది sites చూడాలి. Site means location. Location of the hyaline cartilage. First we discuss the location of the hyaline cartilage. Number one, see here, most of the articular cartilages of the most of the joints. So all joints they get the hyaline cartilage. Upper and lower ends of the bones we get the hyaline cartilages. Next, thyroid cartilage is nothing but hyaline cartilage only. Thyroid cartilage. Next, cricoid cartilage. Cricoid. And lower part of the arytenoid cartilage. Brachial rings. Brachial rings. Costal cartilages. And bronchial cartilages. And nasal cartilage. Nasal cartilage. So మనం అన్ని cartilages చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. So number one is the thyroid cartilage. Actually larynx is made up of 9 cartilages. So in the 9 cartilages there is the presence of paid and unpaid cartilages. Paid and unpaid cartilages. Once again I show you. Observe this picture. See here. So this one is a larynx. Completely this is a larynx, and here is the trachea. So larynx is made up of 9 cartilages. In this 9 cartilages, there is a presence of paid and unpaid cartilages. Paid and unpaid. Paid means 2, unpaid means single. So paid cartilages are, see here, 2 arytenoid cartilages. The arytenoid, okay, 2 arytenoid cartilages and 2 corniculate cartilage and 2 cuneiform cartilages. So 2 arytenoid cartilages. See here is a section. Observe here. So 2 cartilages are, see here, arytenoid cartilage. Arytenoid cartilage, there is a presence of 2 arytenoid cartilages. One side one, another side one. And 2 corniculate. See here is the corniculate cartilage and cuneiform. This is a cuneiform and corniculate. Cuneiform cartilage and corniculate cartilage. Total 6 ayinayi. Okay. Cuneiform and corniculate. So here the cuneiform and the corniculate. Okay, then unpaid cartilages are 3. So thyroid cartilage is an unpaid cartilage, and cricoid cartilage is an unpaid cartilage, and epigloid is also unpaid cartilage. మొత్తం ఎన్ని 6 plus 3 ఎంతమా 9. So totally 9 cartilages forms the larynx. Okay, in this 9 cartilages, see here, in this 9 cartilages, thyroid cartilage, cricoid cartilage, and lower part of the arytenoid cartilage. So these 3 cartilage are made up of hyaline cartilage. These 3 cartilages are hyaline cartilages. And see here, elastic cartilage. Epiglottis is elastic cartilage. Corniculate, 2 corniculate cartilages are elastic, and 2 cuneiform cartilages also elastic. So 1, 2, 2, 5. These 5 cartilages are elastic cartilages. Okay. And in the hyaline cartilages, see the another picture of hyaline cartilage. See here, tracheal ring already we know. So costal cartilage means between the ribs and sternum. Between the ribs and sternum there is a presence of cartilage. So that cartilage we called as costal cartilage. Are you getting? Costal cartilages. See here. Observe this picture. This is a costal cartilage. Are you getting? Costal cartilage. So this costal cartilage is made up of same hyaline only. Okay, it is made up of hyaline. Next, bronchial cartilage. So bronchus learned. Nasal cartilage. So nasal septum and nasal lateral wall of the nasal cavity is made up of. There is the presence of cartilages called as same hyaline cartilages. Okay. So nasal septum ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. See the nasal septum. Nasal septum, here we get the cartilage. See here is the cartilage. So this cartilage is nothing but hyaline cartilage. Okay. Then lateral wall of the nasal cavity also we get the cartilages. See here, this is also cartilage. Okay, lateral nasal cartilage. So this cartilage is also, it is a hyaline cartilages. Are you getting? Next, hyaline cartilage color is a grayish blue color. Hyaline cartilage color is a glossy bluish color. Glossy bluish color, transparent. So whenever we collect a small piece of hyaline cartilage, then we done the staining procedure. After we get the slide, then whenever we look at a microscope, we get the bluish, glassy bluish, transparent image. Transparent image like this, like a blue color. Are you getting the blue? So this one we called as matrix, homologeneous matrix. So here this one is a capsule, so called as perichondrium. Chondrium means cartilage. Peri means outside. In the perichondrium, there is a presence of cartilaginous layer. Cartilaginous layer, which means cartilaginous cells develop from here. So, what are the cartilaginous cells? Cartilaginous cells is nothing but chondrocytes. Everyone what me? Chondrocytes. So, see here, these are the chondrocytes. Each chondrocyte, okay, there is the presence of lacunae. See here is the lacunae, outside space. Lacunae, okay, and nucleus. Then nests. Nest means 3 or 4. 3 or 4 cells unite to form a group. So that group is nothing but nest. Enti madam? Yes, last page. So that one is a cartilaginous cell nest. So cell nests are present. So actually this chondrocytes develops in the perichondrium. Then it is enters into the homogeneous matrix. So here 2 or 3, 4 unite to form a cell nest. Okay. So you must be draw with the first blue color. In the blue color you draw the chondrocyte. Each chondrocyte there is the presence of nucleus, chondrocyte cell membrane. Okay. Then lacunar space, lacunae also present. So this is a histology diagram of the hyaline cartilage. This one is a histology diagram of hyaline cartilage. Are you getting? Next, perichondrium is present. Perichondrium is present in the hyaline cartilage. Perichondrium present. Next, chondrocytes present in a large number. Group inside the lacunae. Single or the groups inside the lacunae. So forms a cell nest. Okay. Then matrix is on the homogeneous basophilic cartilage collagen fibers. So ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది బ్లూ కలర్ లో ఉంటుంది ఇది ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ కమ్ టు ద ఎలాస్టిక్ కార్టిలేజ్ సో ఎలాస్టిక్ కార్టిలేజ్ location of the elastic cartilage, right on. Location of the elastic cartilage, pinna of external ear, pinna ante out idanta pinna of the external ear, epiglotis, corniculate cartilage and cuneiform cartilage and apex of the arytenoid cartilage, auditory tubes, and external auditory meatus. So these are made up of elastic cartilages. Okay. Next, elastic cartilage is a yellowish color. Color is yellow. Then perichondrium is present. And there is a presence of large chondrocytes. In the matrix there is the presence of large chondrocytes. And chondrocytic nest also present. Cell nest also present. And here there is the presence of elastic fibers. There is the presence of elastic fibers. See here, elastic fibers, then large cells, packed chondrocytes and cell nests also present. So compared to hyaline, so these cells are little bit larger. Okay, large chondrocytes present here. And perichondrium also present. In the perichondrium there is the presence of cartilaginous cells. Chondrogenic layer. Chondro means cartilaginous. Cartilage developing layer means chondrogenic. Genic and development. Chondrogenic layer. Okay. Next, come to the fibrous cartilage. Fibrous cartilage location. Intervertebral disc, intervertebral disc, interpubic disc. Between the two pubic bones, there is a presence of interpubic disc. And meniscus of the knee joint. Meniscus is a cartilaginous rings, C-shaped, cartilaginous C-shaped rings present in the knee joint called as meniscus. Once again, I show the meniscus of the knee joint. Meniscus of the knee joint. Observe this picture. So this one is a knee joint. See here, C-shaped cartilaginous ring. Okay. So which is present in the lateral side. See here is the lateral side and this is the medial side. So called as medial meniscus and lateral meniscus. Are you getting? Lateral meniscus. So this meniscus also is made up of fibrous cartilage. Okay, made up of fibrous cartilage. Next, articular disc of temporomandibular joint. Articular disc of temporomandibular joint. And sternoclavicular joint. Sternoclavicular joint. And inferior radioulnar joint. Inferior radioulnar joint. Next, articular cartilages of temporomandibular joint. Sternoclavicular joint. Acromioclavicular joint. Acromioclavicular joint. In this area, there is the presence of fibrous cartilage. Okay. Next, glenoidal labrum. So glenoidal labrum, which is attaches to the glenoid cavity of the scapula. It is a cartilaginous ring which produces more space to the joint. The joint, shoulder joint. Okay. So it is a cartilaginous ring, glenoidal labrum. Same way, scapular labrum, which is present in the hip joint, inner aspect of the hip joint. There is the presence of cartilaginous ring which produces more space to the joint. Okay. So these are the fibrous cartilages. So fibrous cartilage color is a white color. So chondrogenic layer is absent. Then whenever we look at a microscope, we get the bundles of the collagen fibers. See here, the collagen fibers bundle. In between the bundles of the collagen fibers, there is arrangement of like a chain manner. This arrangement of chondrocytes like a chain manner. So this type we call as fibrous type. Okay. So fibrous type అంటే మనం ఇంటర్వర్టిబ్రల్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. Intervertebral disc. So whenever we do the same 24 hours technique, then we get this picture. Are you getting? So మనం ఏ cartilage తీసుకుంటే ఆ cartilage దగ్గర ఆ picture ఉంది. Okay. So three pictures. One is hyaline cartilage histology diagram. Next, elastic cartilage histology diagram. Fibrous cartilage histology diagram. These three important. So when anyone they give 4 marks. Hyaline cartilage is a 4 marks. Otherwise 2 marks kuda cheppalemu. Hyaline and elastic 2 marks, 4 marks like that. Otherwise only 2 marks hyaline, only 2 marks elastic, only 2 marks fibrous like that. Okay. Next. So cartilage is also completed, right? Fibrous cartilage, no? Chondrocytes in the matrix, they arrange like a chain manner. Chain laga arrange ayi untayi. Next, we are enters into the circulatory system.